This how to earn minute will show you how to disable automatic updates in WordPress. If your WordPress version and themes and plugins are automatically updating, follow these easy steps to disable auto updates. First of all, we want to install a plugin. So hover over on plugins and click on add new plugin. In the search plugins box, type here easy update manager and search for it. And this is the plugin we are looking for. So install and activate this plugin. Once done, hover over on dashboard and click on updates options. And here select the general tab, and to disable all plugins like WordPress version, themes, plugins, you have to select here disable all updates. Or if you want to disable updates manually for WordPress core update, then you have to select here. Then you can select here disable core updates, and to disable plugin updates, select disable auto updates, and to disable theme updates, you can select disable theme updates or disable auto updates. This is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe how to earn minute. See you in the next video.